Good morning. So it's a beautiful day on the homestead. I'm glad to have you here. We've been using our cisterns and our water system for over a week now, and we don't really have a way to see how much water is still in the tanks other than looking at our water meter and seeing how much water we've used, or pulling the lid off the tank and seeing what the level actually is. So today we're going to be installing a tank level monitoring system from PT Devices. Well, good, there's water in this one.
There is water.
All right, so the first step we have to do is put another hole in our tank. But we're gonna be up above the water line, so I'm not worried about it leaking. Now we're setting up the wireless transmitter, which is hooked up to our Wi-Fi, and we will be able to see our tank level if all works well. Okay, so we have our capillary tube in through the tank now. Now we're going to put our weight on. And our pressure chamber. Now we're ready to go fishing. Now we're going to lower the pressure chamber into the tank, let it sink all the way to the bottom. Now we're going to press the connect button on the transmitter, and hopefully it will update on the Wi-Fi.
A few moments later.
So we have our tank level working now. We can monitor it from our phone. We have it set up for an alarm if it drops below 50%. And then we'll just seal up our hole. That way no critters or water from the surface get into our tank.
I hope we don't fail to see the beauty of being free. Don't forget what you love the most. I just wanna keep you close, so we have to give it one more try before the idiots are taking over. They're caught up in the race of wanting more, and we can tell one from the other. No one can tell you what they're running from. No one knows anymore. What's it for? What's it for? There's so much more than we've been told, way beyond what we can hold. So keep your eyes open for the things that really matter. Oh, we have to give it one more try now that the idiots are taking over. They're caught up in the race of wanting more, and we can tell one from the other. No one can tell you what they're running from. No one knows anymore. What's it for? What's it for? Oh no.
we're trying to fill in kind of this back part of the shop. It's a little low spot. Hopefully filling in with this dirt will make our drainage better around the shop.
What's it for? What's it for?
So Jeff took some of the rock wall out just to carve a little bit further back for our driveway, as well as to place this giant rock that we found while digging the kids' septic. So now he gets to put the rock wall back together.
So today we're working on our winter preparation plans. Part of that is stocking up firewood for the winter. So we have identified underneath our solar array as our new firewood storage area. We're going to do 2 bays. One 8x12 bay is going to be for 1 year, and the next 8x12 bay will be for the next winter. So we have firewood stocked up for 2 seasons. For the first winter, we're cutting up the firewood into very small pieces because our wood stove in the bus is very small and takes 7.5 to 9 inch pieces. So if you see us unloading a bunch of small wood, that's why.
You were in shot put class.
I was not in shot put class.
That says you were.
Okay, that's not true. Sure.
So this morning, while we're waiting for the second half of our lumber package to be delivered, Amy and I thought we'd jump back onto the woodshed and finish building the walls. $143 3/8.